What's going on, guys? It is a little bit after the last time I tried to replace the steering rack in the 350, and today the new one, the second new one, came in. So right now what I'm about to do is I'm gonna take this one right back out of the car and box it back up to ship it back. This is the last day that I can do it, so I'm gonna do that and I'm gonna put the new one in and we're gonna see how it works. Okay, so here's the two different ones I got. This is the one that came off of it, this is the one that is wrong. Here's reasons why it's wrong. These lines that are on this side of this one, as you can see, they're on the opposite side. And then it doesn't have this little sensor. I don't know what the fuck that sensor is, but it doesn't have it. And then this piece on here is actually probably about like half an inch to an inch longer than this one. It sticks up higher. This one doesn't even reach the column, so that's why I couldn't use it. But I'm about to make this one just like how I got it, and as soon as I do that, we are gonna take the second new one and we're gonna see how it looks and put it in the car. This is my second new steering rack right here, and this one looks right. It looks like it's in pretty good condition, looks strong and everything, but what I'm about to do now is just take these off of both sides, take the boot off, take these tie rods off, put my tie rods on, these right here. I might take these steering rack spacers off, I don't know yet, probably need to honestly, but either way I'm about to get this one prepped and ready to go in, and once I have it in, I will check back with y'all. This is the perks of working outside, not under a roof. You gotta try and hurry up and beat the fucking rain. And I'm not gonna beat the rain.
We're just gonna hold it in place.
Whoo! So I just ran from the car to just hurry up before the sun runs out to get a wire brush to clean off one of these for the tie rods. Boy, they had a yellow jacket in there. It was on. It's barely starting to swell up right there in the center of my palm. I grabbed the wire brush. I didn't even, what's the yellow jacket doing on a wire brush? That bitch hurt. Ooh! Now I'm all paranoid and shit. Ow. That's probably the end of today. I think that's where I'm gonna cut this video out. That hurts. Yellow jackets hurt. I think that's where I'm gonna cut this video. The sun's about to completely run out. It's about to start raining. I just got stung. Right on the center of my hand too, dude. Like, that sucks. But I will see y'all in the next one whenever I finish this bitch up. So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.